We'll guide you through how to deploy a Vercel MCP server. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Vercel's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on the New Project button to start setting up your server. You'll be prompted to import your project. If your code is hosted on GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, connect the respective account to Vercel. Select the repository containing your MCP server code. After selecting your repository, Vercel will automatically detect the framework of your project. If it's not detected, you can manually select it. Next, configure your deployment settings. Check the Environment Variables section and add any necessary variables your server might need to function properly. If you're unsure about the variables, consult your project's documentation or developer notes. Once that's set, click on Deploy. Vercel will begin building your project. You'll see a live log of the deployment process. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the build is successful, Vercel will give you a unique URL where your MCP server is live and accessible. You can visit this URL to ensure everything is working as expected. If there are any issues, you can check the logs for error messages and troubleshoot accordingly. Remember, if you need to make updates to your code, simply push the changes to your connected repository, and Vercel will automatically trigger a new deployment. This makes it super easy to keep your MCP server up to date with the latest changes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.